Hi guys, happy Diwali in advance and happy Dhanteras for those who are celebrating today. I am celebrating today and I got a few jewelry pieces. Now I know people buy gold on Dhanteras and I don't want to invest in gold, so I got a few artificial jewelry pieces which I know I'll be using often and wearing more often and will also be useful for my work. So I bought the jewelry pieces from this website called Beatnik. It's called Shop Beatnik and I'll quickly show them to you. Now I'll mention all of the product links in the description box below. Also I have a flat 10% off coupon code for you guys. It's called BHOOMI-T10. I'll mention it here and also in the description box below. And you will be getting flat 10% off and there's no minimum cart value. So even if you buy one piece or two pieces, you will get 10% off. So let me quickly show the pieces to you. First is the one I'm wearing. This is a silver rectangular piece set. It's like a set. It comes with matching earrings. I absolutely love it and it is so lightweight. I thought looking at the picture that this will be very heavy, but it is so lightweight and comfortable to wear. And I love the earrings as well. The set is like super pretty. Let me give you a close-up. Next is another silver piece. It has mirror detailing on it. It's a longer piece. I can wear it like on top of that. So if you like layering a lot of neck pieces, you can even layer and wear them one over the other. Or even just like that. A beautiful mirror piece which will work with a lot of your outfits, both Indian and boho kind of. Like you can wear a plain white shirt and dhoti pant or a ghagra and silver junk jewelry. I am loving silver junk jewelry, and also these days a lot of jewelry pieces can also be worn with your maxi dresses, with your blazer, like an Indo-Western fusion look which is kind of in right now. And I wore this black kurta, plain black kurta, and all the jewelry will go with a plain black kurta. So yeah, that is another option. Next are these pair of earrings. These are so pretty. Now these are in gold, so I got a mix of gold and silver. Obviously it's Dhanteras, so we need a little bit of gold as well. So yeah, these are flower shaped earrings with pearl detailing on them. They look so pretty, like a blooming flower. This is how they will look on me. I absolutely love them. And again, these can be worn with a lot of Indian outfits, both Indian and Western and fusion wear, as I mentioned. I have one more set of gold earrings. This is how they look. They have filigree kind of detailing on top, and they are like jhumkas at the bottom. So it's like a filigree round circular shape detailing plus jhumkas with small pearls at the bottom. Again, will work with a lot of Indian outfits. Now basic gold and pearl with all Indian outfits irrespective of color. So if there are earrings with some particular color on them, they work with only some particular kind of colored outfits, and basic gold work with everything. So I really like basic gold and silver pieces. Next I have this super pretty silver mang tika. Now I have a kundan kind of mang tika and a golden mang tika, but I didn't have a silver mang tika, so I chose this. How pretty is this? Absolutely love the design and I love how it looks. I'm loving the boho, but it's my hair. I'm loving the boho Banjaran vibes these days, and this again is so pretty and will work with again any plain black white outfit or any fusion outfit. I absolutely love this. I'm so happy with this piece. I'm loving mang tika these days. If you follow me on Instagram, you must have obviously seen me in a lot of different gold mang tikas for Diwali, and this silver one now is an absolutely perfect addition to my collection. And finally, I've saved the best piece for last, and this I was super excited about, the most excited about, and this is the final sixth piece, and it's an Afghani necklace which you must have seen a lot these days on Instagram. This is how it looks. Absolutely love the work and detailing. It is so pretty and colorful. and again can jazz up any plain simple outfit, like again this plain simple black kurta, or even a white shirt, plain white shirt as I mentioned, with dhoti pants. All of the colors and the work and the detailing, it is so pretty. This has my heart. And that's about it. These were all the 6 pieces I got. I quickly wanted to shoot a video and I'm shooting it right now. I'll edit it, I'll upload it today itself, because I want you guys to buy something for the festive season. I want you guys to utilize the 10% off coupon code, which I've already mentioned. I'll mention it again here. So if you want to buy anything, use the 10% off coupon code and shop for any jewelry you like. Again, these pieces are an investment and they will last you for quite a few years, and you can mix and match and pair them with whatever you like. And yes, jewelry is so in right now. I hope you like this video and I hope you like the haul. Do let me know your favorite in the comments down below. I seriously cannot pick a favorite. I love this Afghani necklace, I love the silver mang tika, and even this set is like so pretty. I don't think I can choose. I'm liking everything. Even the gold earrings are very pretty, so I can't choose. Let me know your favorite in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I am trying to post every single day right now, like I have been posting regularly. Please watch all of my videos and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And yeah, thank you for watching. I will talk to you guys soon.